Secret number one to Vata Mama Super Oatmeal, it's actually muesli. Muesli is amazing. It's already got the seeds and nuts and dried fruit that I'm going to want to put in my oatmeal anyway, pre-packaged. So I always just get muesli instead of oatmeal. I also like to add spices to my oatmeal. I usually add a pumpkin pie spice. It's got all of those great grounding herbs in it, like cinnamon and ginger and clove and nutmeg. But today I'm going to use a turmeric twist blend because I have a sick kiddo who is going to be eating this oatmeal, and it's for him, and that turmeric is going to help his throat, and it's also got all of the same things that that pumpkin pie spice has in it. I also like to add ginger. Dried ginger is great, again, for, cutting mucus, but it's also a great digestive herb. So I usually add dried ginger to the oatmeal. And finally, a pinch of salt. It's very important to add a little bit of salt to your food. It enhances flavors. It doesn't just make it salty. It will make the sweet tastes taste sweeter and the bitter tastes taste less bitter. Even though it already has dried fruit in it, sometimes I like to add a little extra. There's no cherries in this one, so I thought I'd add some dried cherries today. Sometimes I add dried blueberries, whatever I have around. Just makes it extra hearty. So then I added the hot water, and now I'm just gonna simmer it for 4 to 5 minutes, or whenever it gets to that consistency that you like. You just want it to get hot enough to really open up those spices and to make it really flavorful. Last, I add some brown sugar. You can add maple syrup, you can add honey, whatever you want to do. My kiddos really like the brown sugar, so we are doing brown sugar today. And then, it is complete. You could dish it up and dish it out. Enjoy!